In the wild world of speed, strength, and survival, a powerful family of hunters rules the land. The cats, from small and agile hunters to massive apex predators, each one is built for a unique purpose. Let's explore these incredible animals one by one. From the smallest cat to the most powerful predators, each one plays a vital role in nature. Speed, strength, and survival. This is the world of the wildcats. The common cat, small, quick, and incredibly agile. Despite its size, it is a skilled hunter with lightning fast reflexes. Height 20 to 25 centimeters. Weight 4 to 8 kilograms. Speed up to 48 kilometers per hour. The Savannah cat, a beautiful hybrid known for its long legs and wild appearance. Height 40 to 45 centimeters. Weight 6 to 11.3 kilograms. Speed up to 43 kilometers per hour. It combines domestic grace with wild energy. Now comes the lynx, recognized by its tufted ears and powerful body. Height 60 to 71 centimeters. Weight 18 to 36 kilograms. Speed up to 80 kilometers per hour. A silent predator of cold forest. Cheetah, the fastest land animal, the cheetah. Built for pure speed, it can outrun almost anything. Height 67 to 94 centimeters. Weight 21 to 72 kilograms. Speed 93 to 120.7 kilometers per hour. Cheetah Acinonyx jubatus, scientifically known as Acinonyx jubatus. Height 67 to 94 centimeters. Weight 21 to 72 kilograms. Speed 110 to 120 kilometers per hour. A true symbol of acceleration and precision. The leopard, strong, stealthy, and incredibly adaptable. Height 64 to 78 centimeters. Weight 32 to 48 kilograms. Speed 59 to 60 kilometers per hour. A master of climbing and ambush hunting. Jaguar, the powerful jaguar. Height 66 to 81 centimeters. Weight 56 to 96 kilograms. Speed up to 80 kilometers per hour. Known for its crushing bite and dominance in the jungle. Smilodon, from the past, the legendary Smilodon. Height 1 to 1.2 meters. Weight 160 to 280 kilograms. Speed 48 to 59 kilometers per hour. Famous for its massive saber teeth. Saber-toothed cat, another prehistoric giant, the saber-toothed cat. Height 1.2 to 1.3 meters. Weight 220 to 280 kilograms. Speed 45 to 55 kilometers per hour. A powerful hunter from ancient times. Tiger, the mighty tiger. Height 91 to 107 centimeters. Weight 180 to 260 kilograms. Speed 56 to 64 kilometers per hour. A symbol of strength, stealth, and power. Smilodon lager, a larger Smilodon variation. Height 1.3 to 1.5 meters. Weight 220 to 400 kilograms. Speed 48 to 60 kilometers per hour. An even more massive prehistoric predator. Panthera tiger, scientifically known as Panthera tigris. Height 91 to 107 centimeters. Weight 180 to 306 kilograms. Speed 56 to 80 kilometers per hour. One of the most powerful cats ever to live, saber-toothed tiger, the fearsome saber-toothed tiger. Height 0.9 to 1.2 meters. Weight 220 to 436 kilograms. Speed up to 48 kilometers per hour. A dominant predator of prehistoric times. The African lioness, fast, focused, and deadly. Height 1.4 to 1.8 meters. Weight 120 to 182 kilograms. Speed up to 80 kilometers per hour. She is the true hunter of the pride. Lion. Finally, the lion, the king of the wild. Height 1.1 to 1.2 meters. Weight 150 to 230 kilograms. Speed up to 80 kilometers per hour. A symbol of dominance, courage, and power.